Aam Aadmi Party MP Swati Maliwal has something to say again for Arvind Kejriwal. Aam Aadmi Party must make Dalit MLA as the leader of opposition, which means the LOP that has to come from the Aam Aadmi Party and only AP because there's no Congress MLA. Who could that Dalit MLA be? Remember, she's still a member of parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, even though, of course, in many ways a rebel MP. She's been going all guns blazing against Arvind Kejriwal. And therefore, she's now said that to represent the underrepresented backgrounds, should there be a Dalit MLA who should be becoming a part of, or who should be the leader of opposition. And it's very interesting why she says that. Remember, one of the big names who did win from the Aam Aadmi Party was Atishi from Kalkaji. Is she also taking a dig to say Atishi should not become one? Amit Bhardwaj joining me for the latest on this. Amit, it's very interesting. I'm sure Arvind Kejriwal wouldn't be really listening to Swati Maliwal right now. And yet she says there should be a Dalit MLA. It's an important mention. It's a sensitive chord that she struck. Why do you think she's making that comment?
Pooja, even through the Delhi campaign, what we had seen that Swati Maliwal, the rebel Aam Aadmi Party MP, was constantly picking up issues which could actually hurt the Aam Aadmi Party and its image in the public at large. And that is why you had, Swati Maliwal taking out the garbage and the kuda from the streets of the national capital and trying to put it in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And she had pulled off several of such videos throughout the Delhi campaign. It seems that that particular campaign mood of Swati Maliwal is yet to be over, and she is hitting at the spot where it seems to be vulnerable position for Aam Aadmi Party, because now what she has, with this particular demand, she has actually made two targets. Number one, obviously, because right now in the race for, while we are discussing as to who will be the Chief Minister phase of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who will take oath at Ramlila Maidan where I am standing right now, the question is also as to who will be the leader of opposition of Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi Assembly. The reason being that Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Saurabh Bhardwaj, all these top guns have lost elections in 2025 battle. Now the question is whether it will be the former Chief Minister, the outgoing Chief Minister Atishi, who will take over the LOP post, or Gopal Rai, someone like experienced hand who has a large experience as a legislator and a minister and understands electoral politics. Gopal Rai will be made that LOP. But, so certainly an attack. So that in terms of projection, Atishi is the front runner for that LOP post. So that target has been achieved by Swati Maliwal. The second target, it seems to touch that soft, again, vulnerable position of Aam Aadmi Party, because it had raised a promise.
And perhaps Swati also realizes, Amit, isn't it, that Aam Aadmi Party won the majority of SC-dominated seats, reserved seats, but the vote share this time also came down. But Dalit voters remain a strong vote bank to some extent still for Aam Aadmi Party. So it will be a tough call. And Swati Maliwal can say that she's the one who at least suggested. So what decision will Arvind Kejriwal and the party take? Thank you very much for now. We'll be looking forward to who becomes the leader of opposition in the Delhi Assembly.